support ang mga hardworking hair and makeup artist ni Allyson. Ayan sila. Ayan sila po ang mga pinakaunang kumigising para sa si Allyson at sila rin po ang pinakahuling matutulog. And this time, let's acknowledge, of course, the talented Kapampangan fashion designers. Yes. And since day one up until now, syempre sila po nagpo-provide ng magagandang damit para kay Allyson. And syempre, the loving family of Allyson, palakpakan din po natin sila. Nandito po sila ngayon. Thank you so much. And enjoy the evening. And of course, the friends, mga friends si Allyson, magpalakpakan naman. One of them. And syempre ang ating mga media partners, ang mga present nandito ngayon, thank you so much for always supporting our events. And every queen has a story. Behind every graceful walk, every confident smile, and every crowning moment is a journey filled with sacrifice, discipline, and determination. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all witness the inspiring story of our queens. Friends, let's all watch this.
Paano ko nagawa lahat ng yon? But I think it was God then. God did it. It was a God did moment for me.
When the shots go high, go low. Step 10 toes, then you should go. When the time goes, then you should go. I said go, get it down low.
I am Allyson Hetland from the beautiful province of Pampanga.
Please share with us your chosen advocacy and what inspired you to champion this cause.
So as a registered nurse myself, I was able to see different walks of life. But what truly captivated and inspired me were the stories of every Filipino child I was able to work with.
I think it was my determination to help my family. I feel like I made it my goal to finish my studies and become a registered nurse because I really want to give back to my family one day. All my life, I grew up with my mom right by my side, and I've seen her struggles, her hardships, and I want to go through life the way she did as well. She fought through, she powered through every struggle, and I want to be just like her. I definitely want to go back to nursing because it's also my lifelong dream to give back to my community and serve. I've always been a woman of service.
Because it is rooted in compassion, which allows me to even reach children, to inspire them and make sure that, no matter what life throws at them, they are able to champion it and to rise above all the struggles. To see them dream and reach for the stars, it allowed me to dedicate myself to serve the Filipino children, the underserved children.
Bonito como se riega y la verdolaga, por el suelo, como se riega, por el suelo, ay, ella bonita, por el suelo, ay, es vedecita, por el suelo, ay, la verdolaga, por el suelo, ay, la verdolaga, por el suelo, ay, yo la sembré, por el suelo, ay, yo la sembré, por el suelo, ay, la verdolaga, por el suelo, ay, la verdolaga, por el suelo, ay, yo la vestí, por el suelo, ay, yo la vestí, por el suelo, ay, la verdolaga, por el suelo, ay, la verdolaga.
Moment she owns. Allyson Hetland.
Hello, Pampanga! Wait, hindi pa po ako si Allyson. Okay, I know everyone here excited na makita ang ating Miss Supranational Philippines 2027. So may I invite all of you to please all rise. Magsitayo po tayong lahat, ladies and gentlemen, and please give your loudest cheer. Friends, it is my honor to introduce to you our Miss Supranational Philippines 2027, Miss Allyson Hetland. Woohoo! Ladies and gentlemen, give your loudest cheer for our Miss International Philippines 2027, Allyson Hetland.
Come join us, let's go there, mabuhay. God bless you, mabuhay. Mabuhay. Keep singing, mabuhay. Keep swinging. May you have a wonderful day.
And to present the bouquet of flowers, ladies and gentlemen, we have Aseg IC Calaguas, COS Reina Manuel, together with the Angeles City family.
Keep swaying. Hello, you're precious. It's a warm celebration, mabuhay.
Ladies and gentlemen, bigyan naman po natin sila ng malakas na palakpakan.
Hello there. Come join us, let's go there, mabuhay. God bless you, mabuhay.
Yung on stage ang mga tao pong nagpakita ng suporta kay Allyson. Simula po sa Mutianing Kapampangan, sa Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga, hanggang po sa Miss Universe Philippines journey ni Allyson. They really play a huge part in the journey of our queen. And of course, may we invite the Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga team to please join our Miss Supranational Philippines 2027 for a photo opportunity. Palakpakan po natin ang MUP Pampanga team, ladies and gentlemen.
Just put on a smile as you say, oh, mabuhay. Keep smiling, mabuhay. Keep styling, a great salutation, mabuhay. Mabuhay. Keep swaying, hello, you're precious. It's a warm celebration, mabuhay. May the universe join us the Philippine way. Say welcome, we're glad that you came. It's a great little greeting to start up each day. Just put on a smile and exclaim, oh, mabuhay. Hello there, come join us, let's go there, mabuhay. God bless you, mabuhay. Mabuhay. Keep singing, mabuhay.
Thank you so much. Palakpakan po natin once again the Miss Universe Pampanga team. And you may now take your seats, ladies and gentlemen. You may now take your seats. Thank you so much. This time to welcome everyone. Friends, once again, let's welcome Aseg IC Calaguas for the opening remarks.
To our board member, Honorable Kay Nagit, to ASEC Jenny Tan of DOF, she's here with us, to Ms. Reina Manuel, the Chief of Staff of Kong Pogi Lasatin, and to the members of the Angeles City Mutianing Angeles Committee from 2019 to 2025, Sir Romel Guina, Mr. Frederick Policarpio, Ms. Rosette Ramos Biag, Ms. Cecil Sanchez, Ms. Marna Dagumboy, Ms. Irish Lego, Ms. Mina Cabiles, and our former tourism officer, Ms. Anlin Sugi. Of course, we would also like to acknowledge Mr. Kakay Munoz, the local director of Miss Universe Philippines, Mr. Mike Castañeda, our tourism officer, Pampanga tourism officers, our designer, our Kapampangan pride, Mr. Mac Tumang is also here with us. Members of media, to our friends. And of course, to Miss Allyson Hetland, our star of the night. And to all Team Hetland, and to the whole Team Pampanga, Maya Pabengi po kay Kayungan. Supposedly po itong opening remarks na po kay Kong Pogi po ito. But he is extending his apologies for not being able to join us tonight due to prior equally important commitment. Allow me to read his message, and I quote, Mayap abengi po kayungan. Back in 2022, in my speech during the media presentation of Mutyaning Angeles candidates, I said this, isa po sa mga pangarap natin at ng mga bumubuo ng Mutyaning Angeles ay makapag-produce tayo ng mga kandidata na pwedeng i-represent ang Angeles City in the national and international stage. Word for word quote po yan. Incidentally, isa din po si Miss Allyson sa mga kandidata ng Mutyaning Angeles nung taon na yon. At hindi man po siya pinalad during that time. I think Allyson took those words to heart because when she came back 2 years later in 2024, she came back stronger and ultimately won the title. And she did not stop there. Mutyaning Kapampangan in 2025, Miss Universe Philippines in 2026, and now Miss SUPRA National Philippines 2027. 4 years ago, we manifested a dream for Angeles City. Fast forward to now, Allyson has achieved it. We are very proud of you. Kaya naman po, I offer my sincerest congratulations to Allyson. But more than that, I want to say thank you. Thank you for making not only mine, but our whole team's dream a reality. Proud na proud po si Congressman Lasatin at ang buong Angeles City sa iyo at ang buong Pampanga. And sana po, makapunta rin kami sa pageant mo next year. Muli po, luwid ka, Miss Allyson. Luwid dya po yung Primera Distrito ng Pampanga. Maya pabengi po kaya kayungan.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for ASEC IC Calaguas. And now, I am so excited to hear the message of the next person na i-introduce ko po. Nakita ko po yung hard work, ang puyat at ang lahat-lahat ng ginawa niya. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome the local director of Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga, Mr. Michael Kakay Munoz.
Feeling ko po birthday ko. Happy birthday, Allyson. This is a very typical, blocking whenever we have debut party. But this event is truly special because we are doing the homecoming of one of the most celebrated queens of Pampanga, and the most recent is Allyson. Can we give her a huge round of applause, please? To all our media partners, to the people from Congress, Ma'am Reyna Manuel, ASEC IC Calaguas, and Kong Pogi, thank you for making this possible. And to the family of Allyson, thank you for bringing such a very wonderful and beautiful creature in this world, right? In the person of Ali Siempre. To all the designers, makeup artists, collaborators, and everyone who put all their efforts together to make the journey worth it, thank you very much for being here and for walking with us until we were able to commence the race. When I was starting to be the local director, as a matter of fact, a lot of people would know that I'm doing lots of pageants here, but to handle a pageant or a pageant contestant such Allyson is one thing that I've never done in my entire life. And then I ended up saying and telling myself, what did I take or where did I take myself into? Ano ba itong pinasok ko? Because totally it's a very different experience for me. So we had an agreement po ni Allyson na during her time of competing that she could always chat me whenever she has concerns and then make a call if it is emergency. There were actually not very few, many moments that around like 10:30, 11:30 in the evening, she'll get to call and say, Sir Kai, we need a yellow gown, a pink gown, or like this and all that. when this would be tomorrow na po 7 a.m. Oh my God. And then I'll tell her, okay, we got you covered. Confidently speaking, kunwari meron na, pero sa totoo wala pa po. And then we will be together with the Team Pampanga, Brian, Joaquin and JV, RJ, Nika, will get to collaborate. Girls, kailangan natin ng ganitong damit, kailangan natin ng ganitong mag-produce ng outfit for Allyson. And we will all be in call center mode by that time. And lo and behold, that in the 4 months of the competition, or within the 4 months of competition, we were able to pull through, we were able to make it possible. How is this divine providence happened? Because we all have, the Kapampangan designers, the Kapampangan makeup artists backing us up. Without all of you, it won't definitely be possible. To our queen, of course, Allyson, that your journey started in Mutyaning, Kapampangan. We have, of course, our tourism officer and BMK, the chairperson for Mutyaning, Kapampangan. Thank you very much for producing a beautiful winner, which eventually led us to the universe stage. I still keep on saying and asking myself, what kind of journey did I bring myself into? And I was able to do the answers, or to have the answers, by revealing, after she won, we were able to discover how Kapampangans really work only if they are united, only when they create a one united facade, we are unstoppable. Let me quote and end my speech by saying, Allyson, this is not the end for you, but instead, we will come back to claim the universe. In a few years' time, of course, but momentarily, the SUPRA stage awaits, but we'll definitely get that universe crown, not only for Pampanga, but for the entire Philippines, to see this beauty is such world class. Because I believe that this journey does not just represent Allyson, it doesn't just represent the Kapampangans, but it represents the entire Filipino nation. And as Allyson's words would be quoted, the Filipinos are worth representing because the Filipinos are confident, independent, that they are compassionate, and that they are beautiful. And this beautiful evening, we give this to our muse, Allyson Hetland, and to all those who supported us through and through. I am forever indebted.
gagawin ko na yung regular path ng isang tao, which is to work, have the sweldo na, di ba? But thank you so much, Ma, for letting me still do what I love. I think I found my passion in pageantry, which is something I never thought I would do. But now we're here, and we'll get to represent the Philippines soon in the supranational stage. Ayan. Kuya Bri, thank you so much, Kuya, for everything that you've done. I appreciate every single thing. Simula tourism video, feeling ko tourism video pa lang nakilala na natin talaga ang isa't isa ng on a deeper level. Kasi pagod din po talaga ang tourism video. We were shooting sa different places in Pampanga for, I think, a week. And it's not easy to go from one place to another, dealing with traffic and everything. So, Kuya, thank you so much for the patience, for the love, at sinadsad mo hanggang dulo. Thank you so much, Kuya. Ayan, mag-start na daw po kami for Philippine tourism video. Kaya abangan na po natin yan. And of course, to my family and friends, thank you so much for being here. I also, special lang po, Red. Thank you so much, Red, for visiting me sa Manila and taking me out to places. Those were it was a big help na pumunta ka doon at nag-aliw-aliw, even though just for a few hours, it really helped me a lot, babe. So thank you so much. Sister Ella, Sister Nika, Sister Kim, thank you so much. At nandito rin kayo. Late nga lang. No, but thank you so much po, everyone. Hindi ko na po papahabain. Kuya Bri Mamawan. Thank you so much, Kuya, sa lahat ng pictures, lahat ng pasabog shoots. I appreciate you so much. And to the whole team of Pampanga, this crown is not just mine, but it's ours. Ay, may nakita ako last. Sorry. Mama Brian Quezon, thank you so much, Ma. Siya po ang... Ma, thank you kasi pinilit mo akong mag-join ulit ng pageant way back 2024. And I think nakita niya din talaga yung potential sa akin. And if it wasn't for that, hindi ko na po itutuloy ang pageantry. So thank you, Ma, sa lahat. We grew together, and I know that we'll have a lot more to do in the future. Thank you, Ma. Love you. Thank you so much po sa lahat. I love each and every one of you. I appreciate each and every much. Hello po. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much po. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Sorry. Last na po pala. Sir Mike Castañeda, thank you so much po, Sir Mike, for yes. Thank you so much, Sir Mike, kasi po the crossover from Mutyanika, Pampanga to Miss Universe Philippines was such a smooth transition. Thank you so much at you allowed it to happen with no challenges, and salamat din po sa buong support. I'll forever be grateful. Thank you po. And JDN, of course, Ma'am Bay, Ma'am Cha, thank you so much po. You were there for me since Mutyaning Angeles, and you're still here for me now. And I hope that we still get to work in the future. I'm so excited. I haven't seen you in so long. Thank you so much po for being here. Thank you. Ayun. Am I missing someone else? I'm so sorry. But thank you. Thank you po.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for Miss Supranational Philippines 2027, Allyson Hetland. Thank you so much. And while Allyson is away, ladies and gentlemen, let's have a little break. Let's focus our attention on the screen. Let's all watch this.
good afternoon. I hope everyone's doing well. Again, I am Allyson Hetland from the beautiful province of Pampanga.
Allyson Hetland, Pampanga.
Allyson Hetland, Pampanga.
Pampanga. Allyson Hetland.
Pampanga, Allyson Hetland.
Pampanga, Allyson Hetland.
Pampanga.
The next spot belongs to Miss Pampanga.
Pampanga, Allyson Hetland.
waiting for the girls. 2 more spots. This night could be yours, Miss Pampanga!
Pampanga, Allyson Hetland. It's pandemonium here at the Moa Arena, completing our top 7 finalists. Shantae, you stay! Miss Pampanga! Miss Pampanga, join me here in center stage. Let's go. Beautiful, just beautiful.
Oh my gosh, this is low.
Miss Pampanga, are you ready for your question?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, here we go. Many Filipinos are getting frustrated with the country. For you, why is it still worth it to represent the Philippines on the global stage? Take it away.
I believe it is still very important to represent the Philippines in a global stage because the Philippines has so much to offer. From its beautiful mountains to its very beautiful beaches, the Philippines is such a beautiful country to live in. And I know that the most powerful tool that I have is to use my voice and be that example that we Filipinos are strong, independent, confident, and beautiful. Thank you.
There we have it, Miss Pampanga. Thank you so much. Thank you, ladies.
Been waiting for, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Supranational Philippines 2027 is Pampanga, Allyson Hetland.
All through the
this wonderful performance. Once again, let's welcome Mr. Jerome Granada.
For everyone. Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay kong ito. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka. Tuwing ikaw ay nariyan, sabay kong nadarama ang kapal at ligaya. Ang iyong tinig, wari ko di marinig, pagkat namamangha pagkausap ka. Kaya nais kong malaman mo ang sinisigaw nitong puso. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka, at sa habang panahon ikaw ay makasama. Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay kong ito. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka. Ikaw kaya ay nais din akong makapiling at ibigin. O kay sarap namang isipin na tayong dalawa ay isa ang aking hinihiling na sabihin mo. Ang nilalaman ng iyong puso, pangarap ko ang ibigin ka, at sa habang panahon ikaw ay makasama. Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay ko ito. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka. Kay tagal ko nang naghihintay na sa akin ay mag-aalay ng pag-ibig na tunay at di magwawakas. At sa habang panahon ikaw ay makasama. Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay ko ito. you so much.
Once again, Mr. Jerome Granada. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to have a little chit-chat together with our Miss Supranational Philippines 2027. Let's all welcome our segment host, Mr. J.M. De Jesus.
Yan, Maya Pabengi Pampanga, Maya Pabengi Central Luzon. Good evening everyone. And dakal pong salamat kasi dintang kayo po kening masanting homecoming iyang pagtao po kang Allyson. And by the way, hindi po ako si Allyson Hetland. Baka magkalituhan po tayo dito. Para klaro lang po, okay? Pero ngayong moment po na to, magkakaroon po tayo ng chikahan, catch up with our queen, our Kapampangan queen, upang malaman natin ano ba yung mga saloobin niya sa kanyang journey at kanyang mga preparations para sa Corona sa Poland sa 2027. Kaya naman po, let's give a round of applause for our supranational queen, our Kapampangan pride, Miss Allyson Hetland. Congratulations. Kasi alam natin, first time nating nagkita, very quick story lang po. Ininbitahan po namin si Allyson right after she won Mutyaning Kapampangan noong December. Tapos, before mag-start po ang aming taping sa studio, sinabi namin sa kanya, bakit hindi mo subukan mag-national pageant? So pinipilit pa namin siya, tapos sinasabi niya sa amin na, anong sabi mo sa amin noon?
So actually, di ba, I just won Mutyaning Kapampangan noon. Tapos sabi ko, tinatanong ko si ni Sir, sino kaya yung, sino kaya yung Miss Universe natin? Tapos sabi ko, hindi ko nga rin alam. Actually, inaabangan ko rin, sino kaya yung lalabas? Pero, kasi at that time, we were keeping it a secret. We were keeping it a secret kasi nga may grand reveal ang Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga.
So sa madaling salita po, inuto niya po kaming lahat. Sige Allyson, have a seat. Let's have a very okay. Sige, dito ako. So Allyson, ang height mo ay 6'1".
6 flat.
6 flat.
6 flat.
Without heels.
Yes, without heels.
Okay.
Without
Sige,
heels.
first question Allyson. Gusto kong malaman, kumusta yung journey mo dito sa Miss Universe Philippines 2026? Kasi hindi ganun kadaling mag-compete. Sabi nga ng ating local director na si Sir Kakay Munoz kanina, gabing-gabi na naghahanap kayo ng mga gowns. Tapos nagkausap din tayo sa chat na sinabi mo na yung schedule nyo, paiba-iba.
Yes, it's always subject to change talaga yung schedule namin with Miss Universe. But overall, my experience with Miss Universe Philippines, sobrang life-changing talaga. As in, that's what I always say when they ask me, how's your experience? Lagi kong sinasabi, life-changing. Because it is life-changing. The people you meet, the people you bond with, it's something na, priceless, but at the same time, it's something that you'll treasure for the rest of your life.
Kasi yung winning streak since December or yung Mutyaning Angeles last year, tuloy-tuloy. So kumbaga, napakalaking blessing nung pagbalik mo sa Mutyaning Angeles. Nagtuloy-tuloy yung panalo.
Yes, super po. That's why I'm joining Miss Universe. I also had I was really thinking about it kung sasali ba ako kasi obviously I had self-doubts. Kung kaya ko ba? It's a big pageant. It's not like Mutyaning Kapampangan or Mutyaning Angeles. It's a serious matter if you really look into it, no? But by the grace of God, nangyari naman po lahat ng dapat na mangyari at naitawid natin ang probinsya ng Pampanga.
Hindi na itawid, nailaban ng todo ang probinsya ng Pampanga. Palakpakan naman po natin. Hindi po madali ang lumaban sa edisyon ng Miss Universe Philippines ngayon. Lalo na madaming mga bumalik na lumaban na din sa international pageants, ganyan. Tapos, bukod dun sa mga preparation mo, sa gown, sa schedule, ano pa yung mga challenges na kinaharap mo na siguro masasabi natin na eto talaga yung nagpahirap dun sa journey mo, bukod dun sa puyat, dun sa paghahanap ng mga yellow gowns, ganyan?
You know what? Sobrang swerte ko that yung buong experience ko, ang sarap lumaban because I had the whole team of Pampanga and the whole province of Pampanga there for me to back me up kung ano man ang kailangan ko. And also seeing the experiences of my sisters sa Miss Universe, I really was so lucky to be able to have the people that I have during my competition kasi sila talaga yung backbone, especially Sir Kakay. And I want to take this opportunity din pala to thank the province of Pampanga, sina Nanay Gov. Thank you so much po sa lahat ng suporta at pagmamahal at tiwala po syempre na dinala ko po ang Pampanga sa Miss Universe Philippines.
For the past Miss Universe Philippines, hindi lang isa yung representative po ng province ng Pampanga. So meron tayong dalawa, ganon. Na-pressure ka ba this year kasi ikaw talaga ang flagship candidate ng Pampanga. So kumbaga wala tayong plan B. 'Di ba? Kung hindi makapasok ang isang kandidata, may isa pa. Ngayon hindi, ikaw lang.
Of course, may pressure. Lagi namang may pressure, di ba? But my whole team was also saying to just enjoy. Yun yung pinaka-important part ng competition is to enjoy the whole thing because that's what will show on stage. And yun naman, nag-enjoy talaga ako sa experience ko. Ninamnam ko lahat ng trips namin, lahat ng events, and I think yun talaga yung na-miss ko after the competition. Seeing my sisters every day, glamming up every day, looking pretty every day, di ba? But,
Looking pretty every day, parang di ka naman pumangit.
no, but it really is an experience that I'll forever treasure in my heart. Hindi ko siya makakalimutan talaga. Feeling ko, kung magkaka-amnesia man ako, eto hindi ko makakalimutan yung part na to ng buhay ko.
Hindi pwede, lalaban ka pa ng 2027. Okay, so ngayon, if tatanungin kita, ano yung pinaka-favorite mo naman na part dun sa competition? Kasi napunta kayo ng bawat segment, iba-ibang location eh.
Yeah,
diba? So ano yung pinaka-favorite mo?
I think it would have to be, madami talaga eh, madami. Pero top one would be Aqua Boracay.
Oh,
Aqua
okay.
Boracay. Kasi yun yung unang labas namin na like yung swimsuit presentation sa Aqua Boracay. And I think that really made a good buzz din sa Pampanga.
You won an award.
Yes,
Diba?
one of the Aqua Angels. And syempre, diba, that also gave me a boost of confidence na kaya. Kaya
Yes.
ng Pampanga, diba?
Kayang-kaya
Yeah.
kasi pag-announce pa lang natin, alam ko anong month pa yon, March or
The reveal
Yeah.
ng Pampanga. I think that was
February.
No, January.
January,
21,
yeah.
yeah.
A month after ng
Yeah,
MNK.
yeah.
Tapos, nagulantang na lahat po ng mga makakalaban mo kasi tinatanong anong height mo, tapos ano ba yung, kumbaga, ang dami nagtatanong nung mga moments na yon na nung papadala natin yung Allyson Hetland sa Miss Universe Philippines 2026, inaabangan na nila yung Pampanga. So ngayon pag-usapan naman natin yung mga kasuotan, yung mga costume na sinuot mo during the competition. First is yung sa preliminary competition, yung gown ni Sir Frederick Policarpio.
Yes, the very beautiful gown.
Yes.
Nung prelims. So, thank you so much, Sir FP. Sir FP, I've been working with Sir FP ever since Mutyaning Angeles days. And to be able to work with him still sa Miss Universe Philippines, I'm so grateful na pinayagan pa din tayo ni Sir FP.
Yes.
And andyan pa din siya ng 100% support. But the beautiful gown, I gave all the liberty to Sir FP. And look how it turned
Yeah.
out. It was so beautiful. It was so easy to walk in. Very graceful. And I hope you liked din po yung performance, Sir FP. But yeah, ayun. We had the prelims for Sir FP, and then nung finals naman was Sir Mac Tumang.
Yes,
which
of
is
course,
this
Sir
one
Mac Tumang.
right
Bigatin
now
yung mga
in the
designers
flesh.
mo, ha?
I know.
Frederick,
grabe.
palakpakan naman po natin, Sir Frederick Policarpio and the Sir Mac Tumang.
Yes.
Ayan, ito yung gown na ginawa ni Sir FP nung preliminary. Na makikita natin na hindi siya nahirapan maglakad, super effortless, at saka nag-shine talaga yung ano mo, yung ganda mo nung gabing yon.
Yes.
So ito pakita naman natin siguro yung ating evening gown nung finals night kay Sir Mac. Ayan! Oh. Suot mo ngayon.
Same, di ba?
So ito ba, namili ka ng kulay or binigyan mo din
So
ng
for
liberty?
this one, the first, I'm not sure if it was, basta we met with Sir Mac a couple of times throughout the journey. And then he asked me, anong color ba ang gusto mo? And then ang sabi ko nung una, I wanted gold.
Okay.
I wanted gold. Sabi ko, Sir Mac, parang gusto ko yung gold. Kasi nakikita ko din online, like, di ba ang dami ng AI, ngayon, generated photos.
Nakita ko yun.
Nakita ko, parang bagay yung gold, bagay sa ano ko. And then, Sir Kakay also gave a couple of colors, a lot of suggestions then from the team. And then, but ultimately, we went with gold, and I'm very happy. And super, nung first time ko siyang sinuot, grabe yung, I was in awe.
Yeah.
And to be able to wear Sir Mac Tumang's work, grabe, I feel like I was on cloud 9 for days.
Ang alam ko, ikaw lang din ang may ganyang color ng gown ng finals night.
Yes, I remember pala, sabi ni Sir Mac, for sure madaming mag-gold. So that's why we
Nasakto.
had our, parang we were deciding pa kung mag-gold ba kasi nga baka maging same. But thank you Lord at parang tayo lang po ang nag-gold, no?
Yes, I
I'm
think-
not too sure.
May iba pa bang nag-gold? Sige, comment down below po. So ngayon, yung gown natin is inspired sa palay. So napakaganda ng execution kasi talaga makikita mo na parang palay-like yung sa anong tawag dito? Bodice po ba?
portion niya.
Bodice po ba yung tawag dito? Or ano? Ayun, basta yun dito, parang palay. Tapos nung pagka-fit mo, nung huling fitting, kasi syempre ayun na yung huling-huli mong makikita na buong-buo na yung gown. Sabi mo, eto na ba? Laban na ba to?
Of course, di ba? Even nung first fitting, I already felt parang
Empowered.
Yes, super empowered. But then the final fitting, syempre, I think it was the day before, or no, I'm not too sure with the date na guys.
Okay.
Ha? Pero for the final fitting, syempre nilakad ko din siya. I was getting the feel of it all. And I think that moment I realized na parang, like, yes, like I can slay the stage on
Yes.
Coronation Night. And to have talaga the support ng mga Kapampangan, iba yung binigay niyang confidence din sa akin and the power that it gave me to walk the way I did nung Coronation Night.
Kaya sabi ko, nung nakita ko lumabas si Allyson nung bago mag-top 7 yung announcement, ay, bakla kay Allyson. Papasok talaga to, sabi ko. So ngayon, pag-usapan din natin yung isa pang gumulantang sa buong Pilipinas, yung national costume. Tignan natin.
Yes.
Kasi ang alam ko, meron kayong theme. Ang ganda!
Diba?
So ngayon, ang theme nito is yung Libad or yung Apong Iru
Apong
Festival.
Iru Festival. Yeah, Apong
Ito
Iru
ba,
Festival.
may theme ba tayo during the competition? Kasi napansin ko, more on blue, more
Yes.
on, kumbaga, flowy yung mga designs.
Yeah, so the theme that the Miss Universe Philippines organization gave us was water. So yun yung basis namin kung paano kami mag-conceptualize
Okay.
ng costume. At ito, this is by Sir Sai Makapagal. And ang brains ng ano natin is si Sir Kakay.
Of course, our
Diba?
local director.
Yes, we wanted to go for something, yung hindi usual na ano ng Pampanga, 'di ba? Usually it would be ano ba, sisig.
Yes, sisig,
Diba?
culinary, ganyan.
Yes, culinary capital. So I think this is really, it's a fresh
Yeah.
perspective on Pampanga, and I think it really, actually I saw comments and obviously I go on TikTok a lot,
And after the national costume, I saw a lot of Kapampangans from Apalit commenting
Yeah.
na parang, thank you so much for shining light on
Yung festival,
Apalit.
yeah.
Nakilala rin ang Apalit for the festival, ganyan. So a lot of the Kapampangans were very grateful then na that we're showing more of Pampanga, that we have a lot more to offer.
Kasi it's very nice to see na hindi lang po natin pinapakita na ang mga babae sa Pampanga ay magaganda, kundi rich din yung culture. Sabi ko, sobrang utak na nakaisip na yung fluvial parade sa Apalit yung gagamitin nilang national costume. Kasi saktong-sakto swak ang ating parada, tubig, di ba? So ngayon, anong preparation mo for 2027? Babalikan natin. May chika ka pa. O sige.
Hindi to magaan Ang bigat nito, guys. I think
Ilang
it's
kilo?
30 kilos, right, sir?
30 kilos?
30 kilos, yeah. 30 kilos yung bangka. So, nung iniikot ko yan during the competition, basta iniisip ko, wag kang malaglag. Wag kang malaglag.
Okay.
Don't trip.
Pero hindi halata Kasi kung makaganon ka dun sa stage, tapos umikot-ikot ka pa, parang 2 kilos lang eh.
Hindi, 30 kilos yan, guys. May battle scars ako dyan, pero it was all worth it kasi we were one
Top
of
five.
the best in national costumes. So.
Hawat award din talaga ang ate girl. Ngayon, pag-uusapan natin kasi you have like a year to prepare for Miss Supranational 2027. At yung una nating crown or yung only crown natin for Miss Supra ay isa lang. Siyempre, only, isa lang, di ba? So ngayon, may pressure ba na 1 year yung preparation mo? Sa Poland ito, no?
Yes, it's in Poland.
So ano yung preparation na gagawin mo kasi iba yung atake natin for this year or for next year?
So, obviously, it's still gonna be a holistic approach, passerella, Q&A, styling, makeup. But aside from that, obviously, I'm also gonna be working with the Miss Philippines team and the Empire management. So, I think magiging mas extensive pa yung training natin. But also, aside from that, I think I also want to, syempre, di ba, supranationalists. They're looking for model-esque.
Yes, model-esque.
So I think I also want to indulge myself sa mga, like fashion.
Yeah, modeling,
yeah,
ramp modeling, ganyan.
Ganyan, just so that, I could also have that aura na, ayun, I know I have a lot to improve on and I will work on it. And we have a year.
Yeah, mahaba-haba.
Yes,
O kaya kahit habang naglalakad ka pagising mo, feeling mo model ka na para maging muscle memory mo na.
Rampa na agad, no, di ba?
So ngayon, ang target natin Supranational, pero nabanggit kanina ni Sir Kakay, we're aiming for
Ako dun,
the
Sir
universe. Ako, Sir Kakay, wala akong kontra. Bumalik ka talaga. Palakpak naman po ang gustong bumalik si Allyson sa Miss Universe. Diba? Ang hirap ng English. You are made for the universe.
Thank you so
Sinabi
much.
namin sa'yo. Pero ito, unahin muna natin tong Supra.
Yes, of course. Diba? One thing at a time.
Yes. Anong na-feel mo nung announcement? Kasi a week after, yung The Miss Philippines na announcement ng mga crowns. If I may ask, ano yung crown na ini-aim mo that night? Kasi hindi yata kayo na-inform eh.
Yeah.
Diba? Kung anong crown ang ibibigay.
So, sinabihan na lang kami the night of the yung coronation ball. That's when we knew what crowns we were gonna get. As in, nung ina-announce that, dun pa lang namin malalaman kung ano
So,
yung-
sabay-sabay lang din nating
Yeah,
nalaman.
sabay-sabay lang din nating nalaman. But obviously, I was eyeing for supranational.
Of
If not the
course.
universe, supranational. And thank you, Lord, at binigay niya ang supranational. And I hope that we get to bring home the second crown. Or si Ate Kat, lumalaban siya ngayon for supranational.
Kat Legado.
Yes, siya yung mag-represent ng Philippines. So, maybe third crown. Sana mag-back
Of
to
course,
back,
back to back. Tapos,
Yes.
universe. Diba? So ngayon, what is the biggest lesson na natutunan mo simula nung bumalik ka sa pageantry ng Mochani Angeles, you won MNK, tapos you got the supranational crown? Ano yung lesson na nakuha mo doon? Kasi honestly, nakita ko po yung Team Pampanga nung competition ng Miss Universe Philippines 2026 na kumbaga parang isang unit lang no? So hindi ka nahirapan.
Hindi po talaga. It was such a smooth ride with everyone. Everyone was so collaborative that talagang the challenges that we had were very minor. Very maayos lang siya ng kung may kausapin ka lang, okay na.
Okay.
It wasn't like a major, we never had a major problem within the core group. So I'm very grateful na we were all working together hand in hand.
So what's your message sa yung core team, kina Sir Kakay, sa Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga organization?
Ayan, to the core team of Pampanga, Sir Kai, thank you so much po that you saw the potential in me. I feel like words can't express how grateful I am na nakilala po kita, Sir Kai. You really opened so many doors for me. Hindi ko siya ma-explain. Pero thank you so much, Sir Kakay. I'll forever be grateful, and if you need me for anything, I'll be here po lagi, Sir Kai. Thank you so much po. Love you. And Mama Mac, Mama Amaya, Kuya Bry, Mama Mona.
Mama Mona.
Mama C.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Kuya Nick. Si Kuya Nick po ang nag-drive for us to and from Pampanga and Manila. So thank you so much,
Ay.
Kuya. Thank you, Kuya Nick. Ayun, thank you so much.
Yan, everyone, salamat. So ngayon, we'll give siguro 2 to 3 questions sa ating media. Mabilis lang po na questions sa ating media friends. Kung may gusto po kayong itanong sa ating Reyna. Okay, wala po. Okay, Allyson, again, thank you so much for giving so much pride to our province. We are very proud of you. At kumbaga, yung journey mo ay kumbaga nagbigay ng kulay sa aming buhay. Okay, Allyson, again, thank you so much and congratulations.
Thank you po. Thank you so much.
Okay, meron daw. MNR? MNR.
No, but I want to take this opportunity then to say thank you so much, Ma'am Reyna and Boss IC, ASEC IC. Also for tonight, this wouldn't happen if it wasn't for you guys. So thank you so much for gathering everyone tonight. Maraming salamat po talaga. Thank you.
Ayan. Sa lahat po na hindi nabanggit, thank
Sorry
you.
na po.
Yes.
No, thank you, thank you. Hindi ko na po maisa-isa. You know, the journey was such a long journey, and I'm grateful na everyone was willing to help. But thank you so much, everyone, and I love each and every one of you. Thank you.
Again, Miss Supranational 2027. Palakpakan naman po natin, Miss Allyson Hetland. Thank you.
Thank you so much to our second host, Mr. J.M. de Guzman. And now we begin with our photo opportunity. Miss Supranational Philippines 2027, Allyson Hetland. We begin with the Angeles City family, headed by COS Rina Manuel and ASEC IC Calaguas. Join our Miss Supranational Philippines offstage for the photo opportunity. And while we are having our photo opportunity, ladies and gentlemen, our mobile bar is now open, ready to serve your favorite cocktails and cocktails. And of course, our Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga team. May we call on the Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga team to please join our Miss Supranational Philippines on stage for the photo opportunity. Well, our Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga team are having their photo opportunity next. Get ready sa ating
family.